Okay, so welcome to this video. In the previous video we were able to buy some cryptocurrency, which was USDT, and we actually converted the USDT to BNB. So now we're trying to actually multiply this and actually earn more of this, and with BetFury. So right now I need to transfer this or withdraw this to BetFury, and then I could multiply my cryptocurrency or my BNB on BetFury. So right now I need to come and select the BNB here. This is what I'm trying to transfer to BetFury. So I click BNB and I click on deposit. So they're going to give me a deposit address, which is this is the deposit address here. So I click copy. So once I click copy, I just need to come to Binance and come here and click withdraw, and now I'll just paste the address here, and I'll just put the amount I want to withdraw. Everything 0.074. They are going to charge you a network fee, so just know that. You can see they're charging me 0.0005. that should be somewhere below $1 or so. So right now I could just click withdraw, confirm. All right, so now I need to do I have actually done phone verification for my security, phone verification and email verification. So I need to do the verification right now. It's very important. This is to avoid any, just in case somebody gets to hack your account and tries to withdraw your funds. They would have to have done the verification before they could do that successfully. So it's important you set up your verification, your security verification for your Binance account. You know, it's very important you do that. So I'll just get the code. I also get the code. Okay, so you see my withdrawal request submitted. Click complete. Because of my transaction is through the BSC network, it's going to be faster. And so if let's just come to BetFury and confirm if we've received the BNB. Not yet, so we could just wait, and it should be delivered to BetFury in a minute, and I'll show you how to actually wager your tokens and increase your token. So you can see how much I actually had as when I actually bought the cryptocurrency. I had just like $23. Let's see how much we could make with BetFury with the $23 I have. You need to also note that you can actually lose money here on BetFury. If you check how much I've wagered here, I've wagered over $3,000. Let's check here. Let's check my account. You see my account here, you see how much my total wager is 0.12 BTC, and if you check how much BTC is worth, 0.12, it's around $4,000. okay, and I've made so much here and I've actually lost also. Our BNB token has arrived. You can see here it just arrived.